Hi, today I'm going to show you a nice little trick you can do with bar knife in TF2. Well, in real life, spy trick. So essentially it's opening the knife and doing a backstab instantly. So all you need are hands and a butterfly knife. I recommend a trainer because you don't cut yourself essentially. So unlatch it. That's the easiest part. Now hold it like this, where the side with the latch is slightly where you can just instantly just let go of it. Don't hold it like this or like this, you hold it like this. Okay? Or you can just let go. So essentially you're just going to do like that. In fact, let me just show you, it's a lot easier. So, oh, it fell. So, first, you do what I said, you just make your knife go like that. And essentially, you'll get to this point, where it's in between your knuckle and the bone for your secondary finger here. And then, you just grab it, just from here to there, and then backstab. So, probably wondering, how do I close it? You just pull it. It's pretty fun. Now, Balisongs / butterfly knives are legal in probably 90% of the world. But there's exceptions. So, probably wondering what knife I use and all that. Contact info, I'm sure is just like canrutsonist@gmail.com. And let's see, knife is the Fury black trainer. I think you can get it in black and red. That's what I think, anyways. Maybe even white, or gray, or chrome, or whatever. You can. This is probably a small choice. But there you go. Hope you liked it. Now, tricks take a lot to learn, so there you go.